If you want to fix overheating on the Samsung Galaxy A57, let me show you 5 tips. The first one, really obvious, but especially useful if you have thick plastic case. So remove the case to allow heat to dissipate more effectively. It helps a little bit, and especially when you have plastic thick case. Next, what also increase the temperature of your phone, that's the high brightness level of your screen with a light mode. So it will be much more useful that you set the dark one and lower the screen, for example, like this. Also, you should close all of the background apps. So how you can quickly do this? Well, by opening device care. Next, by going into the memory, and here you can find this tool that will allow you to clean everything with a single button press. Also, you should turn off all unused features, like for example location, that is available over here. The same with Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi. You can also limit the speed of your CPU. So the CPU is like a really powerful thing in your phone, a really powerful part, and it will drain your battery and heat up your battery for sure. So you can do this by going to the battery, go for a power saving mode, turn it on, click here, and remember to enable this limit CPU speed to 70%. Also, when you get some problems with your software that will hit up your phone, so you have to remember to update this often by going here and simply check for some new updates. And also you should avoid a fast charging in hot environments or while using the phone, for example when you are playing games or watching some videos. So how you can lower the charging speed? Well, basically by going to the battery settings, opening a charging settings and simply turning this off. This is 5 tips that I can give you. Let me know if it was useful for you.